Do you find yourself clutching your chest and grimacing after every meal? Are you tired of the persistent burning sensation known as heartburn that creeps up your throat? It might seem like a simple discomfort, but if left unmanaged, heartburn can lead to serious health consequences like gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. But fret not. We're here with a treasure chest of 19 home remedies for heartburn relief, plus a bonus surprise that'll keep you hooked till the end. So sit back, take a deep breath, and let's embark on this journey to reclaim your comfort and joy in eating. 1. Water. Ever felt a burning sensation after eating spicy food? Water is your best friend. It helps dilute the stomach acid, temporarily relieving heartburn. Keep in mind, though, water isn't a long-term solution, it's just a quick fix. 2. Chewing gum. Here's a sweet and fun remedy, chewing gum. It stimulates saliva production, which, as a natural acid buffer, can help soothe your burning esophagus. Remember that time at the baseball game when you chewed gum to keep your mouth from going dry? It works similarly here. 3. Baking soda. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, can act as a natural antacid. Remember those fun volcano science experiments in school where baking soda neutralized vinegar's acidity? It works the same way inside your body, reducing the acid in your stomach and offering temporary relief. 4. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera isn't just for sunburns. Drinking half a cup of aloe vera juice before meals can soothe inflammation in your stomach, just like it soothes your sunburned skin, reducing heartburn symptoms. 5. Apple cider vinegar. It might sound counterintuitive to fight acid with acid, but apple cider vinegar can actually balance stomach acid levels, improving digestion and easing heartburn. Imagine it as a balancing act in a circus. A tad thrilling, but highly effective. 6. Licorice root. Do you remember the delicious licorice candy you used to enjoy as a kid? Well, licorice isn't just a tasty treat. Consuming licorice root can boost your stomach's mucus production, which protects your esophageal lining from acid. 7. Chamomile tea. Picture yourself sipping chamomile tea, wrapped up in a blanket. Soothing, right? Chamomile can also soothe your stomach, reducing inflammation and balancing acidity levels, thus curbing heartburn. 8. Mustard. Mustard, a common condiment in your pantry, is also an alkaline food that can neutralize stomach acid. It's like your secret weapon hidden in plain sight. 9. Ginger. Prized for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can soothe your stomach lining. Just like it soothes nausea during those turbulent airplane rides, it can help manage your heartburn symptoms. 10. Bananas. They're not just an easy, on-the-go snack. Bananas have natural antacid properties. Picture a fireman putting out a fire. Bananas do the same to your heartburn. 11. Turmeric. Turmeric isn't just a bright, flavorful spice. It also aids digestion and prevents acid buildup, acting as a gentle watchman for your stomach. 12. Cinnamon. This warm, fragrant spice doesn't just belong in your desserts. A cup of cinnamon tea can help neutralize stomach acid and soothe heartburn. It's like a cozy, comforting blanket for your stomach. 13. Almonds. Crunchy, tasty almonds are not just for snacking. Rich in oils that neutralize stomach acid, they can offer you heartburn relief. Picture them as tiny soldiers in your stomach, combating the heartburn-causing acid. 14. Fennel. Remember the aromatic fennel seeds at your favorite Indian restaurant? Those seeds can soothe your stomach and reduce acid reflux symptoms. It's like the restaurant left you with a parting gift for heartburn. 15. Pineapple. This tropical fruit is not just for pina coladas. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain that aids in digestion and can help reduce heartburn. Picture the bromelain as your personal stomach masseuse, relieving you of your discomfort. 16. Papaya. Papaya, like pineapple, contains a digestive enzyme, papain, which helps your stomach break down protein, easing its workload and reducing heartburn. 17. Oatmeal. This fiber-rich breakfast staple does more than just keep you full. It absorbs acid in the stomach, reducing heartburn symptoms. It's like a sponge soaking up all that troublesome acid. 18. Yogurt. This creamy delight soothes your stomach, acting like a cool balm on a hot day. Its probiotics also aid digestion, reducing the likelihood of acid reflux. 19. Lean meats. High-fat foods can exacerbate heartburn, but lean meats like chicken, turkey, fish, and seafood are low in fat and reduce the risk of heartburn. Think of them as your friendly neighborhood allies, helping you fight heartburn while ensuring you don't miss out on delicious meals. 20. Elevate your head while sleeping. Gravity can be a powerful ally in your battle against heartburn. By elevating your head while sleeping, you make it harder for stomach acid to travel up your esophagus, thus reducing heartburn. It's like having an invisible shield protecting you while you sleep. Potential drawbacks. While these remedies are generally safe and effective, they may not work for everyone, and in some cases, could even exacerbate symptoms. For example, apple cider vinegar, while helpful for some, may worsen symptoms in people with an already overly acidic stomach. Also, while lean meats are generally heartburn-friendly, frying or seasoning them heavily with certain spices may negate their benefits. Always remember to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if symptoms persist. There you have it, your arsenal of 19 home remedies for heartburn, plus a bonus tip. With these tools in hand, you're well equipped to fight off heartburn and enjoy your meals in peace. Remember, everyone is different, so it may take some trial and error to find what works best for you. Did we miss any of your go-to heartburn remedies? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.